So how many of you have been shorting gold all week, trying to guess, trying to use technical analysis, maybe following a signals provider, trying to find that magic entry on the gold stuff? Well, I wanted to share with you now a trade that happened on the 30th, so on Monday. Trade open on Monday using our 15-minute gold strategy. So I just wanted to demonstrate how easy it is to trade with us using our tool. Firstly, an alert will ping on Discord. It will tell you there's something happening on the gold 15-minute strategy. Load up your iPhone on the TradingView app, or look on your laptop, or whatever you're looking at it on, and you'll see this trade here. So ultimately on your screen, you will see that there's a buy signal. You'll see the entry price. You'll see the stop loss. Now, if you remember or you've read our instructions, you will know that the gold 15-minute strategy is based on holding that trade until a reverse signal appears. Okay, that could mean 500, 1,000 pips. It could mean it reverses and then there's a sell signal, or it would hit your stop loss. So it's a very tight risk to reward of just 36 pips on gold, which, as we all know, isn't a lot. This is then just literally no drawdown, shot off in this direction. So this trade is now running at 15.8% and over 480 pips. Okay. The pips are irrelevant. It's the fact that this is a tight stop loss and a big risk to reward. Now, this strategy in itself is only a 33% win rate. I can never say it. But ultimately, that means absolutely nothing because the winners are far greater than the losers. And I can show you that in a second. So ultimately, yes, there are losers too. This one here was a loser. And what we know in our data is that trading this strategy on a Friday has such a detrimental effect. We know that because of the power of the way we've coded it, the data, the trading view, Pine script and strategy tester function as well. So we don't trade this on a Friday. This is our backtest curve. Now this is exponential growth. So this drawdown period looks bigger than what it truly is. It's because the account has grown up to that point. So we've got a great profit factor. We've got data on 117 trades going back to the beginning of 2019, and we've got a 591% net profit percentage. That's based on a £500 account, and that's based on a fixed percentage trade risk of just 1% per trade, which is pretty fantastic. So when I go to list of trades, you can see how transparent this is. You can see that if you started trading this strategy at the beginning of 2020, sorry, that's when the data goes back to, not 2019, that you would have encountered 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 losing trades here. Your brain would have gone, this doesn't work, this is a pile of crap, I'm off to go and find the next thing. But you've got to stick it out. This one smallish winner covered all of them losses, okay? And then we get this spell here with some nice winners. So what I need you to understand is that probability in winning and losing runs come when they want. Like tossing a coin, getting a heads or tails, and 50% chance, but you might get 5 tails on the bounce. This was a huge trade. This is nearly 1,000 pips here, look. And every single trade is within this log. So the trade that's now open is there. There's the entry price, 1779.06. Now, my questions are this. How would you feel if you were trading a strategy that you can go into this amount of data with? You can see the data. You know what losing runs that you may get. You can see the winners. You can see everything visually on your chart. What it does is it gives you the confidence and the self-belief to stick at something. Trading is all about patience and perseverance and having discipline. The discipline you need to do with this is literally follow what it does. There's no guesswork, there's no discretion, there's no subjectivity. If it says enter, you enter, as long as it's not a Friday. You can follow the lot size direction by simulating your account size, and you exit when this exits on the reverse signal on this strategy. So ultimately, we're giving you an edge, but we're also removing a load of shit. We're removing the stress, the guesswork, the anxiety over where that trade's going to go, the need for you to hop into different trading communities like this one, asking what you think gold's going to do. The truth is no one actually knows, okay? So when someone says, oh yeah, I think it's going down too, and you're in a sell, it makes you feel probably nice, warm and fuzzy inside, because you're reassured that someone else agrees with you, only for your trade to hit stop loss, because ultimately they don't know. So we've developed this strategy because it's something that's helping us be the right side of the market, but helping so many of the traders in our Discord community. We've not been on here for a while because we're busy rebranding behind the scenes. Instead of being called Blue FX, we're now going to be called POW, which stands for Progress, Overcome, Win. Something that we're really committed about making sure our traders do when they're part of our community. Our services and our business has grown rapidly over the last 10 to 11 months, and we wanted to make sure we were going in the right direction, a direction away from what everybody else is doing in the Forex FX world. We want to give you the truth. It's not easy trading, it's bloody hard work. But ultimately, what you need to do is make sure you're surrounded by the right people, surrounded by the right advice, and you've got the right tools to do the job. Have a great day, people.